In 2026, adding NFC cards to your iPhone wallet is easier and more flexible than ever. Apple has expanded NFC access to third-party developers, allowing banks, transit providers, and loyalty programs to integrate tap-to-pay and contactless features directly with iOS. This means you can now add more than just credit and debit cards. Transit passes, store loyalty cards, and supported third-party payment cards can all live inside your wallet for quick tap-and-go access. To get started, make sure your iPhone is updated to a recent version of iOS and that NFC is enabled by default. For most banks and transit systems, you simply open their official app and choose Add to Apple Wallet. Follow the on screen instructions to verify your identity. In some cases, especially for certain access or specialty NFC cards, you may need a compatible NFC utility app to scan the card before saving it to Wallet. To scan, open the supported app and select the scan option. Hold your NFC card near the top edge of your iPhone. Once detected, review the card details and confirm adding it to Wallet. After setup, you can access the card instantly for contactless payments, transit gates, or supported terminals. Security remains strong. Apple Wallet uses tokenization, encryption, and Face ID or Touch ID authentication to protect transactions. Still, protect yourself by enabling two factor authentication, monitoring your accounts regularly, and only installing trusted apps.